Hello everyone, myself Bharadwaj. In this video, I will discuss one simple example which is multi-point light switching. In this example, we have one light, okay, and this light can be switched from 4 locations, and we have 3 toggle switches and one push button, okay. If you observe here, we have different switches. One is push button and 3 are toggle switches. We have 4 inputs and 1 output. Okay, try to solve this problem. We already discussed some parts of the program in the previous videos. So you can definitely try it. Okay, now I will go to the software. We have 3 toggle switches, right? So I will take those toggle switches first. So I will take I3, I4 and I5 as toggle switches. Okay. And I will give the comment. This is my toggle switch number 1. Now I4 is my toggle switch number 2. Similarly, I5 is my toggle switch number 3. Now what I will do, I will go to basic functions and select XOR block. Okay, XOR, and go to the comments and give the block name XOR. This is my first XOR block, and I will connect toggle switch 1 and toggle switch 2. Okay, now I will take one more XOR block and I will connect the first output of first XOR block to the second XOR block first input. This is my XOR. This is my XOR, first XOR. This is my second XOR block. Okay, and I will connect toggle switch 3 to the second input of second XOR block. Okay, now 3 toggle switches are completed. Now what I will do, this is my I1 is my what? Push button. So I will go to comment and I will give the comment push button. I will take one pulse relay and I will connect the push button to the trigger input of this pulse relay. So I will give the comment also pulse relay. Now what I will do, I will take one XOR block, third XOR block. This is the third one. XOR number 3. Connect the output of second XOR block to the first input of third XOR block, and I will connect pulse relay output to the third XOR block. Now I will take one output, and this is my light. Okay, go to comments and write light. So I will adjust. Okay, that's it. Program is completed. Now I will open the hardware. and I will give the download. Go to Tools, Transfer PC to Logo. If you don't have the hardware with you, no problem. Just go to the simulation and test the logic. Remember, when you're doing simulation, you have to go to the properties of this push button and go to simulation tab and select push button, make contact. Okay, then only you will know the difference between the toggle switch and push button related to the programming. Okay, the program will change depends on the type of switch. Remember that. Okay, even I'll go if it is okay. Now we will test it. Now I will press input 1, which is push button, to turn on the light. Okay, what happens? Push button is pressed, the output is on, the light is on. Now I will turn on, so already 3 is on, 4 is on, I will turn it off. Okay, now I will turn on input I3. That means toggle switch 1. Output is off. Now I will turn on toggle switch 2, input I4. Output is on, the light is on. You can see in the hardware and in the software. Now I will turn on input I5, toggle switch 3. Light is off. Like this program works. If you remember, we already discussed some parts of this program in the previous videos. If you remember, we discussed three-way light switch control using XOR block. Okay, this is the same example. We are using XOR blocks with toggle switch as inputs, and we added one push button with pulse relay block. Okay, now what happens, how this works is, the XOR block, if the both inputs are same, output is off. If the both inputs are different, then output is on. Okay, let's see what happens. If you see the third XOR block, the last one, right now output is off because the two inputs are on. Okay, 1 1. If any one of the input is off, then output will be on, light will be on. We will check that. Now what I will do, I will press push button. Then what happens? Then the trigger will go to the pulse relay. Whenever the trigger is received at the pulse relay, the pulse relay output will change. If it is in on state, it will go to off. If it is in off state, it will go to on. Right now the output is on. So when we press the push button right now, what happens? The trigger will be received and the output will be off. Once this output will be off means the third XOR block second input will be off. That means both inputs of this XOR block will be different. One will be in on state, second one will be in off state. When inputs are different, the output is on. That means light will be on. I will do that. You observe again. I will press the input I1. Okay. What happens? Push button is pressed. Pulse relay output is off. XOR block, both inputs are different. That is why output is on. That is why light is on. Now in this state, what I will do next, I will turn off the toggle switch 3. Right now toggle switch 3 is in on state. That means the second XOR block inputs are different state. That is why output is on. That is why the third XOR block, first input is in on state, second input is in off state. If I turn off toggle switch 3, then what happens? Second XOR block, both inputs are off. That means both inputs are same. Then the XOR block output will be off. That means the third XOR block first input will be off. That means third XOR block, both inputs will be off. That means same inputs. That means output will be off. That means light will be off. Now I will do that. Observe. I will turn off input I5. Toggle switch 3. Observe what happens. So XOR, second XOR, both inputs off. That is why second XOR output is off. And the third XOR, both inputs off. That is why output is off. That is why light is off. So this is how this program works. And do the simulation, test all the different input combinations and observe the logic behavior. I will go to the simulation now once. You have to go to the properties of this push button, and in the simulation tab, you must select momentary push button, make type. Okay, remember that. The program will change depends on the type of switch. Okay, but if it is toggle switch, then program will be different. If it is push button, then the program will be different. That is why the type of switch is very important. Okay, thank you. I will meet you in the next session.